Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you all doing today?
We are doing well.
That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Madrasa Salil Banat and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. I am going to speak on the power of La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. My sisters and teachers, tonight's dua. Many of us don't know what it means and when it should be said. Abu Musa Ash'ari Radhiyallahu anhu, he said, I was walking and saying, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam came to me and said, should I guide you to a treasure from the treasures of Jannah? He said, yes, Ya Rasulullah, and said, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah is a treasure in Jannah. The ulama said the reward, that treasure is hidden for the one who acts upon what it does mean. Let Ibn Mas'ud Radhiyallahu anhu explains to us, what does La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah? He said, there is no way you can stop disobeying Allah without the help of Allah. There is no way you can obey Allah without the help of Allah. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Hawla, to change from one state to another. There is no way I can step there is no way I can change from the state of heedlessness to be being guided. Without saying La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, you want to change from being full of debt to debt. Free, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, from sicknesses to health. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, you want to get married. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. That's why Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam told us, when we are praying after the muezzin, the muezzin is saying, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, hayya ala salah. You are come to salah, hayya ala salah. When he says, hayya ala salah wa hayya ala salah, we will say, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. There is no way I can be able to perform the state without the help of Allah. The state without the help of Allah. That's why it's a treasure from. That's why it's a treasure at the time. Only it changed. So La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, to a treasure from Jannah. I end up my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.